Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace Honda Civic spark plugs. First, let's prepare by gathering all necessary tools and parts. You'll need a ratchet, an extension, and a 5/8" spark plug socket. Don't forget your new spark plugs, some dielectric grease for the coil boots, and anti-seize for the plug threads. It's crucial to perform this maintenance on a completely cool engine to protect the delicate cylinder head threads. Now, let's get to those spark plugs. Begin by removing any plastic engine covers that might be present. Next, you'll need to disconnect the electrical connectors from each ignition coil. These usually have a small tab to press. Then, use a 10mm socket to unbolt and carefully remove each ignition coil. Take a moment to inspect them for any cracks or unusual discoloration. With the coils out, it's time to swap the plugs. Before removing the old ones, use compressed air to clear any debris from around the spark plug holes. Then, use your spark plug socket to carefully unscrew and remove each old plug. Before installing the new ones, verify their gap, which is often around 0.044 inches. Apply a thin layer of anti-seize to the threads, then hand-thread each new plug to prevent cross-threading. For the final steps, use a torque wrench to tighten the new spark plugs to about 13 to 18 pound-feet. Next, apply a small amount of dielectric grease inside the ignition coil boots. Reinstall each ignition coil, securing its 10mm bolt to approximately 8 to 10 pound-feet. Finally, reconnect all electrical connectors, ensuring they click into place, and replace any engine covers you removed. Start your engine to confirm everything runs smoothly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.